coconut. Boom. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Sri Lanka and to Arugam Bay. I've actually always wanted to come here, and each of the last times I've come to Sri Lanka I didn't get the chance, so it was really cool that on this trip I get to visit it. We've just got off the bus after the last video. We're on it, it's a bit of a drive from Kandy, but we've just got here and we're about to have lunch before we're doing the next activity. But look, I just got given king coconut. So good. We get one more cheers in there. Nice and natural for the camera. I said it once, but I'll say it 100 times. I love Sri Lankan food. Rice and curry is amazing. Next up, I think we're going on a safari. Check this out, guys. Wait, you're about to see something? How cool is that? Okay, here we go. Look at this guy. Oh, whoa. No, that's not good. Right, we'll change of plans. You can't even see me right now. But no safari, and it's just started bucking it down with rain. Look at this. Oh dear.
It's just useless rolling these down.
Wow. I'm actually getting soaked. You can't hold these things down. Alright. That was interesting. We made it back to the bus. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Check this place out. This is our hotel for the night. And this is my room. Okay, so clearly that didn't really work out. We were meant to go to safari, and as we got there, it was slightly too late. We missed the time to get in because you can only stay in there until it's dark, and they wouldn't let us in because it was about to get dark. And then as we turned around, the rain came out of nowhere. Best laid plans and all that. Instead, I don't know, what can you do? It's a tropical country. The rain just sometimes it can just happen like that. And instead, we're going bright and early in the morning. So we're just gonna chill now, and then I think wake up at 5 AM to redo the safari. Safari round 2. Let's do this. Very cool so far, and the light has been gorgeous. We had the option to not do this, and some people stayed behind because it was a 5 AM start, but this is so worth it. I think when you have the opportunity to see somewhere like this, you gotta take it. We're going up this bird watching tower now, which is cool. You can actually get out in the park and see it. We're like most safaris, you have to stay in the Jeep, but for us, we get to get out and have a look. Look, an elephant. There he is. Oh, cool. Hey, dude.
Oh, that might be the picture. Peeking through.
That was very cool, and to see the elephant at the end as well was like the cherry on top. Apparently they're pretty rare in that park. I was just speaking to the guide and he said that you don't see them very often, so that's cool. I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Well worth getting up at 5 in the morning for. And it's only 9:30 now. How cool is that? Now we are heading on to the next thing. Okay guys, a crazy thing just happened. I was filming with the drone and I just showed you some of those shots, but as I was flying it, an eagle started attacking it, for real. Like, I saw it on the screen and unfortunately I wasn't recording at the time, but it swooped in with its claws like that and started attacking the drone. So I was dodging it, trying to fly it in, flying like up, just trying to avoid the eagle. And I got a little bit of it, but well, the drone was fine in the end. But all a bit of drama, I was like flying it as fast as I can and came out and grabbed it. It was really trying to go for it. Yeah, how funny. Right. We are just about to have lunch, so more food. If you saw the last video, I had a lot of food, and now we're continuing with that theme. And then we're heading off to the next spot. Thank you. Ooh, what's this then? Just arrived at our next hotel with a little bit of a welcome show. How do we do it? We just light it? Yeah. Okay. Oh wow, these are definitely the nicest rooms so far. Yeah, we just got here. I got made up in this little tourist outfit, and this is definitely the nicest place we've stayed so far. It's got this sort of like central bed thing, a wardrobe each, and then look at the size of the bathroom. It's funny though, because when you're staying in a place like this on your own, it's not as good. So I'm kind of like, I wish Olivia was here. This is like such a nice hotel. Oh, I just have to enjoy it. This is all for us?
Yeah, of course.
Go mode.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, this is unfortunate. It is raining a lot. So 5-star luxury. We are off. Thank you. Oh, thank you, mate. And we are off again. We just stayed in Trincomalee in Trincomalee, Grand Cinnamon Hotel, but we were only here for a night and unfortunately it was raining a lot of it, but that's just this time of the year. Right now though, I'm doing something really cool and I've never done this before. I'm going to show you in a minute, it's really exciting. Alright, here we go. Check it out guys, we're about to go on this little plane here. It only seats 8 people. Its max capacity is 8. It's the smallest plane I've ever been on. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right, here we go. Cool. Oh nice, it is like a private jet. Join us. How cool is this? Pilot's right there. He goes hi. Hello. Oh. He's on the radio. What's up? How cool is this? Welcome to my private jet review.
So freaking cool. What the heck? Private jet.
Living the high life.
Living the high life.
He's like, if the pilot's there, who's flying the plane? So this journey would have taken 7.5 hours back to Colombo, but we're doing it in 30 minutes, and apparently it's pretty scenic as well. What's this too? It's a table. Ah. Ooh. Whoa. Backgammon. Whoa, you do feel that, dude. Which is cool, it feels a bit weird. Olivia, you would hate it. All you got? I want to feel some more keys. Oh, wow. straight past. That was really cool. Look, our plane is there and we just walk straight off it, and yeah, we're already into our own private terminal. That was cool. 30 minutes from the other side of Sri Lanka when it would have taken 8 hours, and now we're back in Colombo. Okay. Last up today, we're about to do a Sri Lankan Airlines flight simulator. Whoa, this is cool. How weird is that? You would almost believe it. It looks real, except for this. We took off. Yeah. Look at my ears go.
Tell me if that one's okay.
That's not a good sound. Whoa, something's wrong. We're trying to land. Brace positions.
That scares me, so I'm really laughing out at it.
Actually looks real.
300.
Oh, that's smooth. This is where I cut to myself in the seat. That was actually cool, and something you don't normally get to do. Yeah, that was fun. This whole trip has been nuts. We're back to where we started right now, the Cinnamon Grand Colombo, and just getting ready to check out actually. We had a bit of a closing party yesterday with the conference, met like all of the bloggers, 60 of us all together, and now it's time to check out of the awesome hospitality we've had here and head home. Well, back to London, and I've got like a hectic plan coming up, but you'll have to check back for that. Probably you'll see it on my Instagram already. Go check that out at TheLifeOfJord. I share a lot more of my stories, so go have a look, because the next plan I've got coming up in the next few days is really exciting too. But yeah, massive thank you to TBC Asia and to Cinnamon and to Sri Lankan Airlines. This whole week's been great. Meeting everyone here has been fantastic. And I said on my Instagram recently actually that like a lot of these people are doing in the game for like 10 years, and I've been doing this for 4 years, well actually like 3.5 years, 3 years on this YouTube channel and 4 years of traveling, but I'm still relatively new to it, and it's all an exciting part of the journey, meeting these people that have been doing it for a lot longer than me, and I've learned a lot, and I want to continue learning, and I'm excited to see what's coming up next. But for now, I'll leave you here because I'm just heading to the airport. Thank you again for watching, and this is my life.